Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Digitonic One Lottery Scratch. I've got the new Cash Explosion, the newness. It just came out a few days ago. I haven't been able to find them, but I finally came across a batch of them. They're pretty much like the old ones, except just a different color. These ones are obviously gold. The other ones were... What were the other ones? They were like a green. Yeah, they were green. Yeah, they were like this. The green. I still have an entry. Oh, what this one's? This one's Careless Whispers for the 20th. All right, let's see. That's this weekend, Careless. That's this weekend if you're watching out there. I believe you have... How many do you have? I think... I've actually got two of them. Man. Just one, and then I got you one, and then let's see. There's another one for you. There's another one for the 20th, and then I have another one that I have not entered yet. So I've actually got three of them in. It's a 50-50 split if we get on the show. So we shall see. Maybe we'll find some more. Here. All right. Careless won those in a subscriber giveaway. All right. So let's see here. Ticket number 36, the bonus section. Say 10 times the money. 10 times the money. The winning numbers. You guys know the drill. It's a matching numbers game. 17 and 28. 17 and 28. There's a 27, a 22, 26, the number 6, and a 7. Rolling on. A 30, number 4, 18, 29, and a 21. Alrighty. Okay, 37, let's go. 1 times the money. 20 and an 11. 20 and 11. All right. And number 8. 23, 22, and 18 and a 9er. Okay, nothing there. 27, 15, 26, a 12, and a 24. All right, 37's nothing on 37. 38, let's go. The bonus number, 1 times the money, Let's see, 25 and 27, 25 and 27. And 11, a 28, number 4, and a 12, and a 6. Nothing there. 16, a 30, number 7, 17, and a 15. All right. Ticket number 39. Here we go. 1 times the money. Still have not found an entry ticket. Wow. A 20 and a 6. A 2, a 17, 16, number 8, 21, 24, 25, number 9, and an 18, and then a 30. Oh boy, here comes 40. Wow. Bonus section, 1 times the money. Let's see what we got. 23 and an 11. 25, 14, 13, 18, 27, 21. Got a winner finally. We've got a winner on the 11. Oh boy. 23 is a winner also. 23 is a winner also. 24 and another 11. 3 winners. 3 winners. What are the prizes on this ticket? There are the prizes right there. Same as the other one. All right. Let's see what's on ticket number 40 here. What is on? Let's see. The first one was this 11. Come on, ticket. Oh, lordy Lord. There she is. There she is. That's how you turn $10 into 3. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. This is Digitonic 1. Over and out.